Welcome to WaitApp Tutorials. In this video, I will walk you through the installation process. Let's get started. To download WaitApp, go to WaitApp.Com and click Download. If Chrome is your browser of choice, it will look like this. In Firefox, it looks like this. Once the setup file is downloaded, double-click it to start the installation process. WaitApp will start for the first time and a registration screen will pop up. If you purchased a subscription, you will have a subscription ID and an email address to enter. After clicking Activate the device, you will have it activated. To start a trial period, all you have to do is click Start Trial. After which, a license agreement will open. Please read it carefully. If you do not agree with it, you will not be able to proceed. If you agree, select I agree. You can print the license agreement if you wish. The next step is to select the directory where the content you want to run in a loop is stored. Once you select a directory, click Save Properties. Click Agree to restart WaitApp. The app will restart and you will get content from the folder you selected covering the entire screen because in Properties, it is set to do so automatically. If you want to limit the panel size or move it to another screen, double-click anywhere on the panel area and the Properties window will pop up. Select the Window tab, uncheck Maximized, check Sizable, enter the height and the width, click Save, and you are all set.